Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a simple lion emoji. So let's start by drawing his eyes. Just a couple circles. And draw a couple pupils. Just two small circles inside. And let's put a highlight at the upper right and color in the rest of the pupil. We'll connect the two eyes then at the bottom with a curved line. So then right in the middle down here we'll draw his nose, and we'll just start by drawing that as an oval, and we can go ahead and color that in as well. Next, we'll draw the sides of his snout. Just a couple short lines on either side. And then the front. Draw a straight line right down the middle, and then these two curved lines come out. Alright, let's draw the jaw. Just a U-shaped line to connect them. And then now we can draw the side of his face from up here above the eye. Just curve it out and then over to the jowl. Do the same thing on the other side. So now from here, let's extend this line just a little bit higher to match the left side. We'll draw the ear. From here, we'll just draw a curved line, upside down U. Kind of make it a somewhat rounded. So now we'll go to do the other side. And we can now give it some thickness. So go up a little bit, say up here where I put the dots, and go out, narrow it a little bit from the previous line, and narrow it here at the back. And we'll do the same thing over here. So now let's go ahead and start drawing in the mane. So right here, let's just draw some zigzag lines. And then at the top, we'll do the same thing. So it'll basically form a curve up here. Vary it somewhat. And notice that the curve, the points of these zigzags start to go out to the side, straight up and down, up towards the middle, and again off to the side. So let's finish off the mane. Again, we're going to be imagining this curve that goes down to here. So we could put a couple dots here just to guide us. And now we can draw the mane. And you can hit those dots as you go along to hide them. Zigzag pattern. And let's add some detail to the hair. So each of these, you can kind of extend it in a bit. Just like that. And maybe this one a little bit farther in, and this. And you don't have to do it for every zigzag part. Just vary it a little bit, and we'll do the same thing up here, just to give it more form. And maybe a couple hints of hair on the inside of the ear. And here as well, coming off the side of the face. And that's pretty much it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my thicker Sharpie and kind of vary the thickness a little bit here and there. Give it more interest. It becomes a little bit monotonous when all the lines are the same thickness. And I'm just going to use this to highlight the shape of the face, as well as outline the whole thing, the mane. So there you go. We're all done with this simple lion emoji. Thanks a lot for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I upload again. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.